Hey, neighbor. Hi. Good to see you again. Yes, it's me, Video Moron. I'm back. I have a little tale to tell you. I got this comment, private comment. They wanted to know where I got the authority to speak on God and faith and such things like this. Okay, I'll try to explain that. I want you to picture an elephant. An elephant. My brother told me this years ago, and I'm probably going to get it all wrong, but bear with me. Picture an elephant, and there's about a half a dozen blind men. And each one is touching the elephant on a different part. One, the tail, the trunk, the foot, the ear. And then they're asked to describe the animal they just touched. Well, the guy who touched the tail says, well, that was a little wiry little thing. And the guy who touched the trunk, he says, no, you're wrong. It's this long, snaky, gooey thing. The guy who touched the ear, he says, no, you're both wrong. It's smooth and flat and real smooth and nice. And then the guy who touched the foot, he's going, you're all wrong. It's tiny, way down on the ground, and it's hard, like a shell. It's got a shell on it. And on they went. They were all touching the same elephant. They all came away with a different idea of it. That's kind of how we all, I think that's what I'm trying to say. That's how we see God or faith, or by any name, you know exactly what I'm talking about. We all experience God and faith in different ways. I experience it as love. It comes to me as love. However it comes to someone else is their private communication with it. It's never wrong and it's never right. It's just what it is. And it's beautiful. I think the saddest thing is someone with no faith in anything. You know? Oh, one other comment. I'll address this too, real quick. You asked me, you said, if your house is so sloppy, why don't you just clean it? Because it's not dirty. It's sloppy. It's just sloppy. Nothing matches. Everything's out of order. It's not organized. It's just a sloppy house. That's all. I'm comfortable. It works for me. Works for me. So, there you go. And until next time, I bid you peace and love. And please be nice to each other.